Megan, and today I want to introduce our hammer mill, the advantages of our hammer mill. Some key advantages of hammer mill. You can see the first one is the hammers. The hammers will be high quality hammers with alloy steel and special welded special material. This is one place. Another place, second, the whole part will be CNC processing to make sure the balance. The third part is the bearing hoist. We are using heavy bearing hoist. The second is the minishaft. The minishaft must be heat treated, and we are using heat treated minishaft. That's our main advantage of hammer mills. Of course, we have some other advantages, and we will introduce you later. Thank you.